Y'all getting on?
Door, please.
No.
Why are you not saying
Nobody ain't taking this to great kills.
Five stops is the whole these 5 stops. Finally, listen. Trying to put on some Sabrina for I heard it went about 40 in this BIG, so.
Yeah, it went BIE twice.
This is a Great Kill bound local train. The next stop is Jefferson Avenue.
No stand clear. It's just the sign. That's my one thing. No stand clear.
Yo, what did he say? Yo, what did he say to fucking do there?
He said, I'm going to race. She said,
I know
I'm like, oh shit.
All I know is good.
And then when he gets to the station, it's the funny part. He didn't say anything in person.
No. No, they're not. No, they're not. You're bugging. You're bugging. No, they're not. No, they're not, bro. You're bugging.
44 are done.
They're done,
They're
bro.
cooked.
Have you seen the size of those? Bro, the amount of dents in them?
Do you see how much duct tape is trying to hold
Yeah.
that thing together, bro? Yeah, the 46 are looking at that too, but they're not there way better shape than fucking
Yeah,
44.
46 something too, but they're,
44
like I said, they're way
44 should be come.
Attention everyone. This is the last stop on this train. Please